would it take and why? Well, I think,
turn on red.
You want to build it in a way...
At least initially, it has worked well. So, I mean, do you worry that other companies can compete with you guys in the long run, sort of treating the driver poorly and still get by? Or does having happy drivers, does having those drivers who are a part of the world?
I think we had a few dates and it was great.
Well, when you switch to Geico, you can save a lot of money on car insurance.
Okay, awesome.
You should call them.
Tire's locked up.
Gotcha.
I think both of them ran. What's this guy doing? Hey, move up a little bit more. Jeez.
Not him, but his cousin was in there trying to get set up with a bow.
This could end us.
We made fun of him like all the field tips come out. Oh. Everyone looked like
what the hell?
At me going,
that's straight up red light.
I went to a party with a few friends. Among them was the girl that would become my current girlfriend. I had a few drinks, but was shocked to see just how drunk they got.
I don't remember the entire night because I was so drunk. You know, something
So fucking over the top.
He's
I just can't believe it. Don't even tell me that you ended up with this person. I'm supposed to believe this? I went to the bathroom twice because I felt I was going to throw up.
Hey, my problem, no one's moving up there.
That she and a couple episodes of that and then an episode of Alice.
Yeah,
I don't know how those fucking theme songs went. Do you guys remember those ones? Day and Day at a Time.
On a moped.
Theme.
Fuck you.
A few things I am proud of. With all the relationships I've had with women is I've never judged them as far as like, whatever the fuck they were into, I didn't give a shit.
Oh, damn. How's that red car? Holy shit.
We got a bad connection. Can you send me an email? Are you on Facebook yet? Tell you, those challenges in the Bible took a leap.
All right. Holy shit! Yeah, this asshole from Florida just cut me off.
And in a closet pooping on each other for 2 days.
Douchebag over there.
you want the...
That's a BMW.
You know.
Notifications when blitz pricing kicks in your area. You can also change the type of vehicle that you're driving or not driving. Depends on the area.
Now I'm too far for my family to travel. I just came unraveled, signed the DA. Apple owned by CA, state property, just like the year 1553.
Needs to basically say that this guy is abandoning his family. He picked his words carefully. I will say that about fucking deep.
The relevant biology was wrong. I mean, he doesn't have his shit together, but he thinks he does. And there's a level of
there's no pressure here, man. That's because MeUndies is offering you 20% off your first pair. Just use our special URL, MeUndies.com/Burr, and get 20% off your first pair. So, go ahead, revamp your
you're making a left turn, so... Yeah, go!
Go on there, comment to him. Say something ridiculous to him. This guy is wanting to grow his channel. He wants people to follow him.
Not moved over.
But this is what he's... No, I have more my like, and like I can't wear my skinny jeans because they're too tight for the bandage. My whole fall.
To a fantasy. What the? Damn.
Shouldn't this hedge be inside the maze? This map and its accompanying hedge are missing in the other shots of the maze entrance, despite the wider and more distant camera positions.
No switching sides, feel something wrong.
What was that? What are you doing?
Okay, the channel, of course, we're getting. Oh,
yeah, they're cutting
Green
over.
Giant.
How could it should be called?
The very jolly Green Giant.
That's like, that's Galactus's butt plug.
There is no one in the world who would.
Let it out of the cage. It's gonna be flipping out, jumping all around. It's awesome. It's awesome when you come home, you got a dog, right? So I come home, I open the back door, and then we have this other door that's got this big glass window, and I go to put the key in, and I look down, and
last one.
School bus. You're not gonna wait. The school bus is doing this shit.
Yeah, and there's cars behind it.
Oh, I guess I'll be the nice one. And I'm gonna miss the light because of you. Oh my god, what the hell? Oh my goodness.
And this bull at the last second figured it out, and he fucking turned around. You know that look Bruce Willis always does when he looks over his shoulder in Die Hard?
Run in the woods. Nice one. Holy shit, no. You gotta be kidding me.
Ways on the up and up. But once I remove myself from that equation, or an athlete removes himself from that equation,
that was really close.
for you to still have that same mind.
Oh, and it's the Shitty Hours stereotype t-shirt, complete with a 4-leaf clothing.
It's cross carpool lanes.
I told you. Say, you know what? Play this to your future in-laws. Dear future in-laws. Hello, I'm Bill Burr. I'm the one who says, Granny, effing.
Oh, come on.
I say this type of stuff. I've been the bad influence. Don't be mad at him. I'm sure he's a wonderful human.
Go! Go! You got your own lane! Go! 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 You got your own lane!
And she's attacking the planet.
What do we do?
Teleport to us 5 overbearing and over.
Really? This guy's doing that. Oh! Wow! Seriously, you're not gonna move out of the way? What, really? Come on. Wow, what a...
Formations. The corals testify not only to an old Earth, but to the lack of the global floods. Huge coral reefs and atolls require many hundreds of thousands of years to form.
There are some... You gotta be kidding me. Why would you pull out?
That's what she said.
Come on.
Junky stuff or whatever. Sometimes things get cross-rated. Anyway,
Jeez,
this is one
what
of my
the
favorites.
hell?
This top drawer.
This
worst.
Yeah.
But there's this idea that people love the president, which also like really kind of blows my mind. Like, why do we love our president? They don't love the president in every country.
There's a super disturbing video that a guy
Seriously?
where he was at the inauguration.
Really?
Video right in front of them. You're probably scared to death.
It is very clear that these parents have prioritized their subscriber tokens over everything else. They're like, the kids love the YouTube. They think the YouTube's awesome. It's like one thing they look forward to the most. And now this kid is going to feel...
Oh, last second exit.
Was when you told the story of going to the basketball game and they
Douchebag.
kept playing that everybody clap your hands.
What the fuck is that, Subaru?
First to play video games and eat.
There is no
Dunkaroos
divider, so the
and going
oncoming
out in
traffic
public.
has to stop too.
Dunkaroos, what the fuck are those?
And we, program 1, pulled it out, program 2, pulled it out, and on the Passat, I forget.
No stop at all.
Radio.
Can you move up a tad? Yeah, you see what happened? Dude! What the fuck's your problem? Oh, wow. Stay outside the frickin' dashed line.
The operation side and kind of the driver onboarding and the fingerprinting and things like that we had to do, or whether that be, things on the payment side, or even just on things like dispatch or pricing and other things like
the balls to bring a passenger up, even though I know I could do it. I can't take a family member up. I was joking with a buddy of mine, Jay Lawhead. I think I'm going to take him up first.
Yeah, 2 in a row that move over at the last second.
I was like, dude, I have to deal with the pressure that you could do that, If somehow that ever happened at one of my comedy shows, there's no fucking way I'm letting that person get kicked out. There's no fucking way.
Alright. Whoa, what? You have these things called turn signals. Alright.
Professor, they're just both completely out.
There is a move over law in this state. Come on, guys.
Uber guy. Oh, there's Uber man. He's still out there.
That car's fucked
so the
up.
Uber man,
He's watching my fucking show.
Why the hell's this? No, they don't roundabout good. This is a roundabout. You can keep going.
Morrison told him his dead grandmother was going to appear in his dreams and commit an unusual sex act involving him and an adult erotic device. As opposed to a child erotic device? Are there any other kind of erotic devices? Moulter stated he could not get the image out of his head and he snapped. That he said, is when he took actions including letting...
Walk and attack just as quickly as Link made him a welcome addition to the franchise.
What the hell?
So you're just assuming that the guys that they're yanking off the flights, did those people? I don't do that.
What the hell's that guy doing?
I buy one fucking ticket and I show up. That's how I do it. So you're telling me, just be like, hey, evidently, she doesn't want to be with me anymore. I mean, dude, I know, listen, I got dumped. I know how fucking hard this is. I'm gonna tell
Seriously, why would you cross the street?
I actually fucking
in a not
was talking
crosswalk
to somebody. hard on.